welcome back to the channel. What's going on? I'm Crafty Valerie, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to routinely clean your sewing machine and also give you some good sewing tips. So if you're new to sewing and you just bought your brand new sewing machine, I'm going to show you how to clean it so it can last you longer and always work in good condition. Or even if you're not new to sewing, it's a good reminder since I myself tend to forget until my machine starts acting up. Before I continue, I just want to thank all my subscribers for subscribing. Thank you so much for subscribing. I'm so grateful for you and you really keep me motivated. And I'm so sorry that I haven't posted anything recently, but I do want to let you know that my computer crashed, so I had to get that fixed. But also, if you're watching and you haven't subscribed, please do so. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. And also, always feel free to leave any comments or questions because I'm always happy to help. And now, please continue to watch my video on how to clean your sewing machine. And watch out for those tips that I placed in red. I hope that the tutorial was helpful. And now I'm going to be going over the sewing terminology that I had mentioned. And so the first one is a pleat. A pleat is an embellishment that is sewn or ironed onto another piece of fabric. So the first example of an applique is the picture of a flower that someone is sewing onto another piece of fabric. Here's another example of what an applique is, the cute little giraffe that somebody sewed, or also you can always do lettering. So the next term is backstitch. Backstitch is a stitch that doubles back on the last stitch that you just finished doing to secure it better, to secure seams better, and also to mend garments. Next one is baste. Baste is temporarily holds two pieces of fabric together with long loose stitches that can easily be removed. Usually you can do it on a sewing machine, but usually you do it by hand. The next one is batting. Batting is a flattened material, usually cotton or fiber fill, that is usually used as fluff inside quilts or garments. Next one is bias. Bias is the direction diagonal from the direction of the fabric, and it's the stretchiest part of the fabric. This is one that I had just learned, and I have a picture showing you the part of the fabric that's the bias. And my last one is the bias tape. Bias tapes are strips of fabric cut on the bias, often used for binding and facing, and it sews neatly around a curve and is used commonly like in blankets, placemats, bibs, and aprons. You can buy your own bias tape, or you can also make your own. So those are the terms that I have for this video. I will continue to post other terms in other videos until I run out of terminology that I can think of. Also, if you would like a copy of my terminology list, just message me and I can email them to you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My videos are meant to help you, so I hope you learned something today. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, have fun keeping it crafty.